Welcome to our Healthy Care Over 50 channel. Your liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying your body and keeping you healthy. However, it's easy for toxins to accumulate in this vital organ without us even realizing it. In this video, we'll uncover the warning signs that your liver may be burdened with toxins. From subtle symptoms to more noticeable indicators, understanding these signs can help you take proactive steps to support your liver health and overall well-being. Join us as we delve into the world of liver health and learn how to recognize when your body may be sending you important signals. Let's get started. 1. High levels of cholesterol. When the liver is compromised, its ability to process cholesterol efficiently is impaired, leading to an accumulation of cholesterol in the bloodstream. Liver damage can disrupt the balance of enzymes and proteins responsible for metabolizing cholesterol, resulting in elevated levels circulating in the body. Additionally, a damaged liver may produce fewer high-density lipoproteins, HDL, commonly known as good cholesterol, which help remove excess cholesterol from the bloodstream. This further contributes to the buildup of low-density lipoproteins, LDL, or bad cholesterol, which can increase the risk of heart disease and other cardiovascular complications. Recognizing high cholesterol levels as a potential indicator of liver damage underscores the importance of maintaining liver health through a balanced diet, regular exercise, and avoiding excessive alcohol consumption and other harmful substances. By addressing liver health, individuals can not only manage cholesterol levels but also reduce the risk of developing serious liver-related conditions. 2. Jaundice. Yellow eyes and skin, a condition known as jaundice, serve as a prominent warning sign of liver damage. Unless naturally occurring from birth, jaundice indicates an underlying issue with the liver, according to Mayo Clinic. The presence of jaundice is not an illness itself but rather a symptom of liver dysfunction. This discoloration occurs when the liver fails to adequately process and eliminate bilirubin, a yellow pigment produced from the breakdown of red blood cells. When bilirubin accumulates in the body, it manifests as yellowing of the eyes and skin. 3. Weight gain. Weight gain can serve as a noticeable indication of potential liver dysfunction, especially for individuals leading healthy and active lifestyles. If you exercise regularly and maintain a balanced diet, unexpected weight gain should raise concerns. When the liver struggles to effectively process toxins, it resorts to storing unfiltered toxins in fat cells, contributing to weight gain. Therefore, if weight gain occurs despite no changes in eating habits or hormonal imbalances, it may signify liver impairment. Addressing liver health becomes crucial in such instances, as detoxifying the liver is essential to initiate weight loss. 4. Loss of appetite. Loss of appetite can serve as an early warning sign of liver dysfunction, as noted by the American Liver Foundation. When the liver becomes overloaded with toxins or begins to develop acute liver disease, a diminished appetite often emerges as one of the initial symptoms. The liver plays a vital role in processing nutrients and regulating metabolic functions, including appetite control. Therefore, when liver function is compromised, it can disrupt the body's ability to regulate hunger and satiety cues, leading to a decline in appetite. 5. Chronic fatigue. Chronic fatigue presents a significant concern when it persists for an extended period, as outlined by the Mayo Clinic. While occasional tiredness is normal, chronic fatigue lasting at least 6 months may indicate underlying liver damage. Unlike typical fatigue, which can result from various factors, such as stress or insufficient sleep, chronic fatigue associated with liver damage is distinct. The liver plays a crucial role in energy metabolism by converting glucose into glycogen for storage and later use. When the liver becomes toxic, its ability to produce and store glucose is compromised, leading to decreased energy availability. If you find yourself experiencing persistent fatigue despite maintaining consistent exercise and dietary habits, and obtaining adequate sleep, it could be a sign of liver dysfunction. 6. Allergies. Allergies can manifest as a consequence of liver overload, leading to an allergic reaction. When the liver becomes overwhelmed, an influx of substances enters the bloodstream, triggering the brain to recognize them as allergens. As a result, the brain releases antibodies and chemicals that provoke itchy rashes, according to Daily Health Post. In contrast, a healthy liver efficiently clears potential harmful allergens from the bloodstream, preventing allergic reactions. Therefore, if you experience unusual itchiness or develop a rash, it may indicate liver toxicity. It's essential to pay close attention to these bodily signals, as they could signify underlying liver issues. 7. Edema. Swelling of the ankles and legs serves as a significant indication of liver dysfunction that should not be ignored. When liver issues are disregarded, the liver attempts to repair itself by forming scar tissue. However, excessive scar tissue impedes the liver's ability to function properly, leading to a condition known as portal hypertension. Portal hypertension, characterized by increased blood pressure within the portal veins, results in the accumulation of fluids in the legs, as explained by Mayo Clinic. While the swelling is typically painless, it serves as a direct indication that the liver may be overwhelmed with toxins. 8. Pain. Pain in the liver area serves as a primary indicator that your liver may be overloaded with toxins, as highlighted by Healthline. The liver is situated in the upper right portion of the abdomen, below the diaphragm and beneath the stomach, making it a sizable organ. The pain experienced in this area is often described as dull, but its intensity can vary depending on the level of toxins present. When the liver is afflicted by disease or dysfunction, its ability to function properly is compromised, leading to the manifestation of warning signs. 9. Nausea or fever. Experiencing nausea or fever can be indicative of liver overload with toxins, as described by the Mayo Clinic. When the liver becomes overwhelmed with toxins, it may struggle to effectively break them down for proper digestion. Nausea and vomiting may ensue as a result of the liver's inability to metabolize toxins efficiently. These symptoms serve as important warning signs of potential liver dysfunction and should not be ignored. 10. Dark urine. Dark urine color can be a significant indication of liver overload with toxins or liver disease, as noted by Healthline. While dark urine is commonly associated with dehydration, it can also signal underlying liver issues. When the liver is burdened with toxins or afflicted by disease, it may affect the color of urine. Dark urine can result from the presence of bilirubin, a yellow pigment produced by the breakdown of red blood cells in the liver. When the liver struggles to process bilirubin efficiently, it can accumulate in the urine, causing it to appear darker than usual. It's crucial to pay attention to these symptoms, along with other signs discussed in this video, as they may indicate underlying liver issues requiring medical attention. Based on the symptoms mentioned above, making lifestyle changes can be key to supporting liver recovery. First and foremost, maintaining a healthy diet is crucial. Reduce consumption of sugary and unhealthy fatty foods, opting instead for fresh vegetables, fruits, and protein-rich foods such as salmon and skinless chicken. In addition, increasing physical activity is essential. Plan for regular exercise daily, including both cardio and strength training, to improve blood circulation and support liver function. Furthermore, limiting alcohol consumption and other harmful substances is also crucial. Try to avoid alcohol or reduce daily alcohol intake. Moreover, pay attention to the use of non-prescribed medications or overdosing, as they can also cause liver damage. Lastly, don't forget to maintain a healthy lifestyle by managing stress and ensuring you get enough sleep every night. Giving your body time to rest and recover will help support liver function and improve overall health. In conclusion, making lifestyle changes to support liver recovery includes maintaining a healthy diet, regular exercise, limiting alcohol and tobacco consumption, as well as managing stress and ensuring adequate sleep. By doing so, we can help the body overcome liver issues and strive for a healthier life. To learn more about this topic, please like the video and subscribe to my Healthy Care channel. I want to express my gratitude once again for your viewership and support in watching this video today. I send my best wishes for you to always be safe, prosperous, and happy.